In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google as a time zone converter. So firstly, open in your browser, then type google.com. Now type PDT to EST, then press enter. So you will get a result about your time zone. So you will get this result: Pacific Daylight Time PDT to Eastern Standard Time EST. Now another way, 10 p.m. GMT to EST, then press enter. So you will get this result on another way. And also you can try to get result. You can type 10 a.m. time in now, in New York. So you will get this result. So that's it, friends. By this quick and easy method, we can know how to use Google as a time zone converter. Thanks for watching.